So we've all had it. It's called the fear of missing out. FOMO, as the kids would call it. Right now, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I love my iPhone. Love it. I love being part of the Apple ecosphere, the iOS life, being part of the Apple fanboy crew. But I'm missing out, am I not? I'm missing out on the Android life, being part of that Android fanboy crew. So, today I purchased the Oneplus 8 Pro because some believe it's still to this day the best Android device there is. Well, I'm going to unbox it, let you know a few of its key features and let you be the judge. Let's go. So here we are with the unboxing. I ain't no Flossie Carter, so don't expect much, but today I am unboxing the OnePlus 8 Pro. I am 10 months behind the curve, I am aware, but I really wanted to get involved in the Android game. As you all know, if you watch any of my videos, I'm rocking the iPhone 12 Pro Max with that cool wallpaper. Hashtag Star Wars, hashtag Mandalorian. What I want to do now is, as I mentioned, get involved in that Android game. And from every review video I've ever seen over the past year, until the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra came out, popular opinion was that the OnePlus 8 Pro was one of the best Android devices on the market. So, quick unboxing first of all. Flossie, there is a pull tab here. I know you like to use a knife, but you really don't need to. Listen to me telling Flossie Carter what to do. So, quick specs about this phone while I'm unboxing. It's a 120Hz refresh rate screen, which I'm looking forward to, having pretty much always had an Apple device. I've never had the luxury of 120Hz. Quad camera array, including a colour filter camera, which I think I'm looking forward to trying out. 4,510 milliamp hour battery. Again, probably one of the biggest batteries I've ever had in a phone, although the iPhone battery life is fantastic. And that Quad HD 6.78 inch screen. Really looking forward to that. Now, with regards to the unit I've bought, obviously wasn't given to me sadly. One day I'll get some stuff given to me, but this is the OnePlus 8 Pro Onyx Black version, so it's a glossy finish, so watch out for fingerprints, but I'm hoping there's a case in here. There should be. This is the 128GB storage version with that 8 gigs of RAM. So, like I said, let's get into the box. Now I have to say straight off the bat, this packaging is very premium. It has like the box itself has like I don't even know, it's not a silicone feel, but it's a really nice feel to the box itself, and it's got that smooth unboxing like any Apple product you would get. So here we are in the box. We're presented with the phone first of all, with that under the screen fingerprint reader, which we obviously don't have in the iPhone, but one day we might get it. Let me just turn that phone on silent. Too many phones. Oh, I should also note that I just got this Poco X3 phone. I'll do a review on that as well. So, back to the OnePlus 8 Pro. I've got the handset. Looking forward to setting that up. Come on, there we go. There's a tab. Of course, there's a tab. In here, I know there's your usual books and SHIT, as Flossie would say, with some show stickers. Another thing I'm excited about, yeah, there's the case. Oh yeah, never settle on the case there. Love the colour of this USB-C cable. This cable is also very important because it is going to be providing the 30-watt fast charge. Look at that brick. Again, no, Apple, Samsung, 30-watt charger in the box, case in the box, Have I mentioned as well, Amazon have this phone, which is where I bought it, link in the description, for £599. Oh yeah, you heard that right, £599. So let me just file all this away to the side. So we have the handset in the case. We really don't need, case is cool. TPU, frosted sides. Yeah, not one of those cheap plasticky TPU cases. It feels pretty solid. Now the device itself. I'm not going to do the smell test. I'm not going to completely rip off Flossy Carter here. Let's get, oh. Okay. Okay, yeah, that feels good. That feels like quality. I mean, I am dreading the amount of fingerprints I'm going to get on this. Let's see, is there any juice? There's normally some juice in the phones when you first get them. Felt a little haptic feedback there, yeah, that's it powering on. That Oneplus branding, which has obviously changed over the years. Let's get rid of this sticker. Oh yeah. So that was the unboxing portion of the video. Keep watching to find out more about, look at that screen. Keep watching to find out more about its key features. So there we go. I've unboxed the phone. I've had the phone in my hand for a few hours now. I do like it. Like, I really like it. I did mention I'd talk about some key features. I'm not going to go into too much detail. There will be a follow-up video going into way more detail about the technical specs and a comparison to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But right now, let's talk about something that I have never been used to, and that is that 120 Hz refresh rate. I don't know if this is going to pick it up enough, but that is smooth scrolling, okay? Did that even work at all? Yeah, you can see that. Smooth scrolling, 120 Hz. Also, what you can see here is the Quad HD screen. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max has obviously an OLED Ultra HD screen. There will be the comparison. I think I prefer the OnePlus 8 Pro screen, but again, I'm recency bias. I've had the phone in my hand. I don't want to go too much. Take that back. I don't know if I prefer it. Help! So yeah, 120 Hz refresh rate, quad camera array on the back. That's 4 cameras, including one very random colour filter camera, which actually turns out, if you check other YouTube videos, is a see through your clothes camera, the way it works. Really freaky. Surprised that's still kind of allowed. Other features, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will be doing a follow-up where I have a more scripted approach to the full review rather than just this haphazard unboxing slash rambling video. So yeah, I've got an Android phone. Stop grilling me. I can be an Android and iOS fanboy. Thanks for watching. Take care.